Welcome to Guided Calm. Let's start today's session by finding a comfortable position. You may want to sit on the floor or on a chair, relaxed but with your back straight. However, if this position is not possible for you, then find yourself another position, perhaps lying down with a pillow under your head. If you wish, you can close your eyes. It might feel a little uncomfortable to close your eyes. Usually we use our eyes a lot to check what's going on around us and to help check that we're safe. So closing your eyes may take some courage and even determination. But with our eyes closed, it's much easier to direct our attention inwards and to give ourselves the opportunity to sense the body. It can also be very peaceful. So now, with your eyes closed, bring your attention to your breath. Can you feel your body breathing? Take a slow, deep inhale and then a complete exhale. And now, just let your breath happen naturally. There's no need to force it at all, just natural breathing. Follow your breath, and you can count 1 with the in-breath and 2 with each out-breath. Keep counting like this as you follow the breath. 1 with the in-breath and 2 with the out-breath. But do this in your own time. Keep following your breath and counting as you do so. 1 and 2. Notice how your body expands as you breathe in and contracts as you breathe out. Keep observing this expansion and contraction, this movement of your inner space. Stay there for a few more breaths. Everything that happens in your life is happening against this backdrop of the breath. So while you may notice your mind distracted by thoughts, you can think of these thoughts as like the clouds. They will simply come and go, but behind this is your breath. As you sit here, just keep coming back to the breath. Keep counting 1 with the in-breath and 2 with each out-breath. If your mind wanders, and it probably will at times, just keep bringing it back to this breath. Your mind may be wandering now, because this is what minds tend to do. Perhaps you're thinking about a conversation you had with someone earlier. Perhaps you have a problem or worry in your life. Perhaps you're thinking about what you have to do after the meditation. When you notice that your mind has wandered, just bring it back again to the breath. Keep counting 1 with the in-breath and 2 with the out-breath. This is your time for this meditation. There's no need to be anywhere else but right here. So if you find that your mind has wandered, just bring it back again to the breath. And now begin to let go of your focus on the breath and bring your attention back to the room. Listen to the sounds around you. You may be able to hear sounds in the distance, as well as sounds close to you, perhaps in the room. Wriggle your fingers and toes, and notice how you are feeling. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's guided calm meditation and that this has brought some more calm and relaxation into your day. We hope to see you back here tomorrow.